So if you're messing around with something like a Raspberry Pi 3 or Raspberry Pi Zero W, eventually you'll want to figure out how to overclock it, and then if you do, then you're going to need something to cool it. So you could go and buy yourself a USB cooling fan, because sometimes using the little pins can be troublesome and it can save you some time. And also, you may have something connected up like the Google Voice Kit, in which case you don't have access to the pins, so you have to use a USB powered fan. Well, these things kind of retail around 20 bucks, but if you have an old one from an old PC that you threw away, and you have an old mouse, what you can do is combine them together. Usually what you do is there's going to be like a little screw in there. You unscrew it, you take all the different bits and pieces out, and then they usually have some kind of connector like this on the inside. You have to pull this out. Try not to break it. And then you can use two of these cables that you can get from any of those Arduino kits. Then all you do is find the appropriate cables. So you're going to want the red to match up with red and black to match up with black. And hopefully it will work. So it'll go here. Black with black and red with red. Of course, if you don't have these wires, you could always jimmy rig it and strip them, but then it becomes a bit of a fire hazard if you don't know how to use tape or whatever to stop them from messing up. But anyway, yes, as you can see, it works pretty well, and it saves you from having to buy a new one. Of course, the smaller the fan, the more powerful it's going to be, but it still cools pretty well, and you saved yourself, 20 bucks. So yeah, that's why I avoid throwing out old parts, because there's always good ways that you could repurpose them for other applications. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out with your Raspberry Pi adventures, and see you in the next one.